Disassembly tips. Ensure that you take the following precautions when disassembling a unit. Label each cable as you remove it, noting its position and routing. This will make replacing the cables much easier and will ensure that the cables are rerouted properly. Keep all screws with the component removed, if applicable. The screws used in each component can be of different thread sizes and lengths. Using the wrong screw in a component could damage the unit. If the unit contains light-sensitive components such as motherboard, memory module, CPU, hard disk drive, graphic card, store the component in its original ESD packaging to avoid damage. Please read the description below for more details about tools used to removal and replacement, static electricity.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and right trunk. Removal. Disconnect the power connector cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the power connector cable from the routing channel on the fan and right support bracket. Remove the two 4.5 mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right support bracket to the top cover. Lift the right support bracket off of the top cover. Guide the power connector cable through the cutout and remove. Replacement. Guide the power connector cable through the cutout in the right support bracket and place it into position on the top cover. Replace the two 4.5 mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right support bracket to the top cover. Route the power connector cable through the routing channel on the right support bracket and fan. Connect the power connector cable into its connector on the system board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.